Hey guys, welcome to my first video, and today I'm just going to be showing off this multi-tool that I made. Right now it's 3:35 in the morning, and I started this at bang on 2 o'clock in the morning, so it's been an hour and a half and I just finished it. So when you download it, first you're going to have to join the Discord server in the description. So first you'll be in general. I'll just put beans there, don't know why. Then you want to go to downloads and you want to download it. I mean, I already have it downloaded, so I'm not going to download it. And then you want to look in logins, and because you need to log in for it, it's just root and root. Then if you don't know what you're doing, there's help here. This will just be announcements if you want more news. Q&A, you can just ask me stuff or what to make. Problems, just tell me if there's an issue. Right, so you're going to open this up and you're going to look for Gsus multi-tool.exe and you're going to hit create shortcut. Going to drag it to your desktop. I already have it here, so I'm just going to replace it. And then you're going to close it and open it. So, Gsus multi-tool, made by Gsus, my Discord. I coded this with Notepad++, and just don't be a skid and steal this. So press any key to continue. Username is root, password is root. Then once it goes green, it means you've got it in. So it just says welcome, and I hope you enjoy. So here's the options. We've got 1, which is putty, 2's Google, 3's a pinger, 4's CMD, 5's to open up Notepad++, 6 will be turn off your PC, and 7 to restart it. So if any of these don't work, you probably don't have them downloaded. But what I'd done was I downloaded everything on here into the same folder, which is why stuff you can see like putty, Notepad++, stuff like that. Except for Google and CMD you already have on your computer, I'm pretty sure. And so let's just say we wanted putty. Well, actually no, we're not going to do that. No, let's do pinger, it's number 3. So yeah, I also put the pinger on here. So I'm going to type in 3. Then it's going to say disclaimer, I didn't make this pinger. This is River Cross Crow's pinger. Full credits to him, which is, then you just hit any key, and now it's going to open in 5 seconds. See, River Cross Crow's pinger. So you just put in any IP, this is just cloud picture. And it pings like a pinger would. Right, next, let's just go back to it. Let's do putty, so 1. So it's putty, blah blah blah. Normal putty. Google, just opens Google. What you'd expect it to do. Pinger we've already done for CMD, so here I go, CMD. Notepad++, we hit 5, so it just opens it. Basically Notepad++ is a better way of coding everything because it tells you stuff if you've got wrong like that. So you just I did not mean type that, just do that and do some random stuff. save. I'll put it to my desktop for now. Where is it? Here. Now we've got to make it batch. Set go look. Title, it works. Right, shut down PC and restart PC. I'm not gonna do. It's obvious that it works, but this is pretty much it. I'll show you what happens when you get it wrong. So, press any key. Say just type this. It'll say incorrect. Then I'll just go back to it in like 2 seconds. So that's gonna be it for this video. Discord in the description. And the downloads in the Discord. So right now it's only me because I literally just made it. And that's gonna be it for this video. And I'll see you later. Bye.